All right. Questions from the homework? So some of them had an inequality sign. So did you figure those out okay?
Yeah.
You're just trying to see, obviously, create a true or false scenario. Any questions you came across on pages or numbers 1 through 7? That's the first page, page 140. Yeah. 6. Okay. All right, problem number 6, we have our first equation being y equals negative 3x plus 8. So let's go ahead and graph that. What's my y-intercept of that? 8. So I'm going to go up 8. And then my slope is down 3 to the right 1. Agreed? So that kind of looks what my picture looks like. And then the other problem here is y equals negative 2x plus 2. So the y-intercept here is 2. I'm going to go down to right 1. Okay? So, first item on the agenda. Are these the same slope? No. So should they intersect each other?
Yes.
Okay? Now, mine just free-handed. I'm kind of not seeing where they cross. Mine are going to cross somewhere up here, and I can't see it right away. Did someone get a solution to it?
You're not doing the right slope. It's 1/2 for the slope.
Oh, cool. Where did I grab that one from?
I think it was on 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, phew. Thank you. Oh, boy, I was going to say, why did they give you so bad as that? All right, so that first line is correct. Yes?
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. Thank you. 1/2 x plus 1. Is that the right one?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Plus 1. Come on.
Yeah.
Find the board. Okay. So positive 1's my slope. I'm going to go up 1, right 2. So that's where I have them intersecting. Where does this show it intersects on your page?
Like right at the same point.
Good. So I don't have a grid, so you have better capabilities than I. Where does yours show?
Like 3 and 3.
3, 3, maybe? I don't know.
I have mine for 2, 2.
2, 2?
Yeah, me too.
Okay. So I would say 3, 3 definitely won't work, because if I plug 3, 3 in, I'd get 3 minus 9 plus 8. So let's see if 2, 2 does work. If I plug 2 in here, so that's going to give me 2 equals negative 6 plus 8. So I get 2 equals 2, right?
Yes.
And then if I plug 2, 2 in here, I'm going to get 2 equals, what's half of 2? 1. So if that whole thing becomes 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that definitely is our solution to that problem. And again, when I'm drawing it up on the board, if I'm not using straight stuff, it's not as straight as you probably get on a much smaller one. You freehand it. Other questions up through number 7? All right, let's go to the back. 8. I got the hiccups. 8 through 16. Questions there? I'm sorry, what?
I think that's 4 times.
Okay. It happens.
It was not 1.
Anything on, yeah, Sammy? 15, all right. Without graphing, decide whether the system has 1, no, or infinite solutions. Okay, so number 15, they don't want us to graph it. So we have this, and then we have this. So if they, I will always give the opportunity to graph if you want to graph. But if you wanted to answer this without graphing, we know the slope of this equation is here, so I have a slope of negative 1. Is that okay? So then if I solve this one, like that, I'm going to wind up with y equals negative x plus 4. So the slope of this one is also negative 1. But then I go and I look at the rest of the problem, plus 4 plus 4. It's the exact same line, right? So we have infinite solutions. So you can look at the slope, and then you could verify if it's the exact same line if you can see it right away. Any questions at all from 1 to 16, either side?
Number 9.
9.
On the
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, on the back, right?
There might be multiple number 9s. You never know with what
Yeah.
we do these days. So y equals 1, and y equals 2x minus 3.
Okay. So here's kind of a nice thing that you can see on here real quick. What does y equal? Y equals 1, right? So we already have part of our answer. So if I graph this, equation, horizontal line going through 1. Is that all right? Then if I graph this one, I have a negative 3, right there. And from that, I'm going to go up 2 and write 1. And let's see. Is it 2 comma 1?
Yep.
Cool. And again, my grid that I graph up here is not going to be as nice as what you have, especially when you have a grid. I guess I could generate a grid, but I just have it down there. What other questions do you have 1 through 16? Yeah. 11. Okay. I'm going to rewrite this one to look like this. Do you agree with that? Make sense? So that then it's set up in slope-intercept form. Just by looking at it, it appears they both have the same slope. Agree? Do they have different y-intercepts? I cross here at 5. And from there, I'm going to go up 2, right 1. All right? And then if I graph this one, I go up 2, right 1. What can you tell me about these two lines?
Parallel.
Parallel lines have infinite solutions?
No solution.
No solutions. No solutions because they're parallel. Cool. What else? Yeah.
Okay, wait. So
Wait.
didn't you say 15 is an infinite solution? Because
Yeah, it was the exact same line. When you solve the second one for y,
yeah, they're the same one. Never mind.
make sense?
Wait, no, they're not because it would be negative x plus 4 and then x plus 4. Like it's y equals negative x plus 4 and then x plus y equals 4.
So if I
So you
solve
get
the
rid of
second
the
one
x.
for y, you subtract x from both sides.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything else? We feel all right about this? Yep. 14. Without graphing. Okay, so number 14, you have y equals 2x. Is that one of them?
Yeah, y equals 2x plus
And then y equals 2x.
minus 5.
Okay. Do these two lines have the same slope? Yes. Are they the exact same line? No. So they've got to be parallel, so they won't cross, so no solution.
Or did you also have 0 plus 0?
Sure.
What?
And that's still, then if you look at this, are these two equations the same equation? No. But they have the same slope, so they're parallel to each other.
Okay.
Anything else? I mean, this was newer stuff. You good? All right, if you would, make sure your name is on that and any other assignment you're passing forward. And I'll collect that. And it's a shorter assignment. I saw some of you already working on it. But I'd like you to see if you can't work on and complete page 142. So I want you to do that. And while you're passing things out, a couple things just to know. Couple things to know. This applies to a few of you. If you think you need more time on the written part of the test, okay, I don't know if you do or don't. You know, log into the computer, find the pencil and paper, the written part, it's worth 30 points. If you think you need more time, you have until Thursday this week to come in periods 1, what else do I have off? 1, 4, and 6. I'm off those periods. Okay, so if you feel you need more time on the written part, everyone got done with the computer part, okay? And then also, some of you are still missing the take-home version of the test. If you have it today, it's worth 90% of what the points were because it's very late. Yeah. You're not off any of those? You have a 5th period? Oh, well, you have till Thursday. So today's Tuesday, right? So today, tomorrow, or Thursday. And if it still doesn't work, then we can try to hit it Friday. But let's try and do it. And then if you haven't even if you need to take the test, if you need to take it, first period is fine with me. Second period, as long as you're not in this class. So I'm saying second period because I'm recording right now. Third period, if you are off third period, I'm downstairs in this room right here. Fourth period, I'm in my office. Fifth period, I'm downstairs, kind of over there. Sixth period, I'm in my office as well. Normally, I'm not here during sixth period, but I want to make sure you get this test done. If you need to finish the test, if you haven't taken it yet, if you want to break it up into 2 parts, you can take the computer part, and then you can take the written part a different day. But I want to try and get this done by Thursday this week. Okay? And, why am I waiting, or why am I trying to push it that quick? Guys and girls, this semester is coming to an end really fast. And do you really want to get past Thanksgiving and then say, okay, now I'm going to go take the test? I don't think so. Okay? And the conversation of, well, I'll study over Thanksgiving. Really?
Yeah.
Been around a couple days. So, all right. Everyone knows